Alright, so in this video, I'm going to design this clean profile card in Figma and I'll explain why I'm making each decision because good UI is not random. There's always a reason behind it. So without any further delay, let's start. So first, I'll create a simple frame, nothing fancy. After that, we will add a rectangle to the main card. I'm keeping the corner radius slightly rounded around 50 px because sharp edges feel outdated for this type of UI. Next, I'm adding a top cover image. This will make the card feel less boring and more dynamic. I'm also rounding the top corners for the top cover image so that it can blend naturally with the card. Now, once we are done with the top cover image, let's jump to the profile image. Let's place the profile image slightly overlapping to the cover. This small overlap creates depth. Without it, this design feels really flat. And I'll add a very subtle shadow, not too much, just enough to separate it. Now, here we are done with the profile image placement. Now let's jump to the next part, that will be typography. For the name, I'll be using a bolder font weight. Username will be lighter and smaller so that it will create a hierarchy, and the description text, it will increase the line height so that it is readable to the user. See here, I am not changing colors much, just adjusting weight and spacing already improves everything. After improving the typography part, let's jump to the final part of the profile card, that will be buttons. So we will have two buttons, one will be message and one will be follow. One will be primary and the other will be secondary. The follow button will be the main button because it has the main action. The other button, which is the message, which will be stayed outlined. Because this will help the user understand better, and he will be able to understand what to click and what to not. And that's basically it. If you notice, I didn't use any crazy colors or effect, just spacing, hierarchy and clarity. That's what separates an average UI from a good UX. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments and what I should design next, and subscribe to Logic Palette for more UI UX content. Thank you.